Amanda Louise Smith is an English former pop singer and model. She became known in the mid-1980s for her romantic relationship with, and subsequent marriage to, Rolling Stones bassist Bill Wyman, who was 34 years her senior. Mandy Smith lived in Tottenham as a child. She met Rolling Stones bassist Bill Wyman when she attended the BPI Awards with her older sister Nicola in 1984, when she was 13 years old. Wyman was 47, but wrote in his 1990 autobiography, "She took my breath away." She was a woman at 13. The relationship only became public 2.5 years later, when she reached the age of 16, and resulted in a firestorm of publicity. In 1986, Smith was to be interviewed on Irish television show Saturday Live, but cancelled when broadcaster Radio Tailefus Aran decided she would be interviewed from a seat in the audience rather than on the set. RTE Acute said she was not important enough and that she might give a bad example to young teenage girls. Smith and Wyman married on 2 June 1989 in a civil ceremony on his Suffolk estate. She was 18 and he 52. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.